watching Tech Hacks. And now today I'm going to show you how to download Los Angeles Crime or GTA 5 version 1.9. So let's get started. First, you need to go to a browser, and click on the link which I've given in the description. So it will open like this. And you have to proceed the captcha box and the verification. So click on I'm not a robot. And click here to continue. So it says your link is almost ready. Some pop-ups that are there, so skip that. And there are many ads, so you have to close it. So it says your link is almost ready. You have to wait till 6 seconds and the link will be ready. And so click on get link. Do you want to leave this website? You click on OK, and you will get this page. So now you have to just click on download Los Angeles Crimes version 1.9, and it says this type of file can harm your device. Do you want to keep it or do it at your own risk? Okay, so I have already downloaded it, so you have to click on OK. So now your Los Angeles Crimes should be downloaded. So I will tell you the cheats and some gameplay, a little bit of gameplay. So it's loading. So loading. See, you can see Los Angeles Crimes Android. So click on play. It says touch on people to use the tongue function. Okay, on PS controller hold LS. Okay. You have to read it if you want to. So it is loading 10%, directly to 100%. So you can see here, you can move it around, and the new feature is that you can beat the person. See, like that. So this person did now, and the texture of the bikes and cars have been upgraded. See, you can see all the bike textures have been upgraded. I will stick you on right. See, and the graphics have also been. And Sarah Clotley is a normal, but it looks so nice. Okay, so now I'm going to place where we came from. Okay. Stuff. Okay, now and there is also a new cheat for PC non-player character. So you have to dial 1999. You call it a number and see, you can spawn a man or a non-player character. You can go and kill him. Stay the fuck down! See, it is a new function, and if you beat him, he will also come to beat us. Now, the tongue function. Okay, now turn the tongue function. If you click on people, they will start talking to you.
You should get some help with that personality of yours.
Hey, Chavala, get the fuck out of here.
You should get some help with that personality of yours.
Bitch, you gotta stop calling me.
You should get
If
some
you're
help with that
doing it,
personality of
you
yours.
will be
Kill
BK.
you.
See? So he's not dead. So these are the upgrades in version 1.9. Okay. So thank you guys for watching. And if you want the other cheats in it, you have to go to my next video and check the description below, or you can check this video also. So thank you guys for watching. See you. Bye bye.